Challenge level. If you can defeat this many ogre munchkins, you'll unlock few wizard-specific levels. Well, you can learn some of their abilities. Check your equipment. Spelling. Check your equipment and armor. You need something better than the bronze old set. Well, what you got on, first of all? What are we doing? So let's... Fix this level because there's no way.